Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. We do this actually every day. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So yeah, it's Tuesday, and we know there is so much stuff going on. There is China's lockdown, whatever, and that might actually push the market to the lower side. And I think next week, I think it's this week or next week, NFP also, if maybe the report is very strong, like strong labor reports could lead to Fed to actually go aggressive on interest rates. So, which means maybe for this week we might see some consolidation. And you know what? Last week it wasn't actually good for us. Actually, in the team, in the groups, all the signals as the market was just going up and down, we ended up not making enough, or maybe we can just say we took some losses. I saw even yesterday, most of the signals were not actually fruitful. So yeah, we will just wait for today and see what's really happening. But it seems like the market is gonna be quite slow, quite slow. So yeah, I'm not expecting much actually. I'm not expecting much. For those who wants to join the team, guys, if you want to be part of the team, yeah, you can see on the screen those are the signal packages. But we have something actually special. So this is going to actually end when I reach 53 people. So let's say 53 people, this special is going to end. It's not just going to end now. Then you can get the robot. Sorry, this special is going to end this week. I forgot this is a Black Friday special, so all the prices are going back to normal. So yeah, if you want to talk to me, just check the WhatsApp there. You will get everything that you need to communicate with me. So now let's go straight to the analysis. I tried to show you something there on the screen, so you can easily see that you know what, everything it's actually on China. You can see China COVID infection drop for the first time in more than 2 weeks and stuff like that. Actually, that actually affects the economy, or let's say a global economy. You can see here there is other actually automakers which are going to slow down because they are manufactured in China, or other things are made in China. So which means things might start to slow down, and that is not actually good for the market, which is already suffering, you see. So yeah, I think maybe that is something that I just wanted to show you. Or maybe I can say let's just get a Forex Factory and see what we can get this week. Okay, actually this Friday it's NFP, that might change things. So on Wednesday we see Chair Powell speaks 8:30. That might trigger the market to go crazy also. So that will have a clue actually what will happen. But anyways, I think the market will start to do something around that area around that time actually. So now let's go straight to the market. Let's go straight to the market. Let me see what I can start. I can start with CAD, Canada. Yeah, for those who wants like recommend like a broker, you can see there is a XM there. So if you want anything, yeah, there is XM that you can use. I recommend that, by the way. Let's see if maybe we can reduce this. Hope you can see. Yep, I hope you can see. So what's really happening here is Canada was actually on a very nice uptrend. The market was pushing like straight up. You can see the market was actually going up. Very nice, but we saw that we start to have a breakout there. So we're expecting the market to do what? To keep selling, especially when we also have an outer trend line like that. But I think I did this thing like even yesterday. I think there's nothing much change. There's nothing much change actually. But I see here, I think I did send the signal. I no longer remember. But I think if maybe that is the signal, maybe it's the only signal that we made something. yesterday. So yeah, I think maybe I don't actually have to waste much time. We just have to just go straight to our daily analysis, because I can't just do everything. I can't do everything. This video is gonna be like way too long. So, but if you want to learn, I showed you that if you want to learn, you can just join the team. That's how it is. That's quite simple, straightforward to join my team. So what's really happening on US oil? You can see that actually US oil, I think this video will disturb us. Yep. Yeah, I think you can see that US oil actually has been on a very nice, very nice downtrend. Do you see that? The market was actually downtrending, and I can say even now actually the market is downtrending. Something that I see is the market is very close to our resistance. The market is way too closer to our resistance. So there it's where we can actually say it's time for us to what, to think about the decisions. What will happen there is maybe the market will respect this area and start to do what, to bounce back, or maybe the market will decide otherwise and say, you know what, I'm breaking. If it breaks that, we will know what to do then. It means we're gonna look for those buy positions. But if not, it means that we're going to have something like this as a sell stop. If the market respects that area, we're expecting another sell off. Why? Because we following the trend. The trend is still telling us that, you know what, the market did not break this resistance, which means we have to expect what? We still have to expect those sell positions, unless if something happens there. I hope you see that. If you want to learn stuff like this, as I told you, you will have to join the team, because I don't think maybe it's going to be easier for you just to understand everything. You need deeper details. You need more than the analysis to understand what I'm doing there. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? I think maybe the market it will be actually giving us some sell positions. I see some breakouts, but we have to just go deeper and see. Remember, the market is just consolidating. It's been bit slow actually, but we saw a sell off yesterday. I think that made us to lose, because we thought maybe the market was about to push to the upside. So what's really happening is, yes, the market was actually on a very nice bullish uptrend, and guess what, after that we see that the market actually broke out of that. So let's just try to zoom around that area and try to see what happened actually. Oh, we see that the market actually broke out. Let me try to make this visible. The market broke out here. This was an area that we can call a support. We also had diagonal support. Both of them actually, they are broken, which means from now on, if the market keeps pushing lower, because there is a possibility, let me just try to adjust this. There's a possibility that maybe the market will respect this area and push up, and maybe now we might have this sort of ranging move around that area. So if that happens, it means we're gonna look for those buy positions again. But if maybe the market keeps breaking lower or pushing lower, it's where we can say, you know what, it's much better for us to look for sell positions down there. But I think the best way is to do what? It's better to wait, because the market has been playing games with us. Actually, this is the second week. We never had some very strong wins. But with the robot, at least it was doing its best. So what I see is, yes, there is a chance, since we broke out of that, there's a chance for the market to keep pushing lower, or maybe the market will bounce back, which means it will solidify this area to say, you know what, obviously maybe the market now wants to create this ranging move, which means the market will be solidifying the ranging. You can see there. So yeah, something like this. You see, something like this. That might also happen, but there is so much stuff going on in the world, guys. So there's a chance that the market can just play games with us. And for us to be safe, let's wait for the structures to be respected, to be broken out, and then we can say let's take a trade or something. So let's push to NASDAQ. What's really happening? NASDAQ also actually punched us yesterday. We were expecting a very nice buy, then the market kept pushing lower. But I'm not surprised because actually, what I can say is we are still on a very, very strong bearish move. We are actually on a strong bearish move. And what's really happening is the momentum is still there to push the market to the lower side. It's just that the market has been playing games around that area, and we are not far from the resistance. Maybe if we reach that area before we can say we can sell. So if maybe that happens, that is going to be something else. Then we can say, yeah, maybe now things are straightforward. We can do it. We can start to think about aggressively selling, or after the breakout, we can say maybe we can now think about buying. We can think about buying if maybe the market breaks that area. Or maybe where we are now, you can see we have a nice support. We can hit and run, but hey, the market has been playing games, guys. So it's been punching us since last week. We tried to buy, the market kept pushing lower, but now we are very close to the support area. It seems like the market might bounce back. So I think I'm not just going to participate in this. I'm just going to avoid the market like for the whole day, just to not use the emotion. Sometimes we lose too much and you end up doing the mistakes or the same mistakes just because you don't give yourself a break. So get something busy, get busy. Even if you are not busy, just read a book or watch something. Then tomorrow is still another day. Maybe things tomorrow will be in a different form, or maybe at least the market will be away from that area. If the market moves, if the market does something that is fine, it's better to miss that, because you will not be actually, currently you will be using actually emotions, and we don't really want to use emotions, especially when you start to lose losing streak like this. I think we had a losing streak since last week, so I don't really like to go back in the market and try maybe to take something. That's why we say you should need actually a robot. Sometimes when things are like this, if I can be busy with something, I can just focus, I can just plug the robot and let it do its thing. Mostly the robot will get this type of moves, because if we go on a smaller time frame there, the robot will get those small moves and it makes something. That's why you should get that. So yeah, I think maybe the market will try to push the upside, but there's also enough stuff going on in the market. But anyways, if you want to be part of the team, there are my specials, 53 people. I think maybe before 15th of December will be touching that number. After that, I no longer add anyone. I've been saying this for quite some time. I think since July, September there, I've been talking about no longer adding other people in my team. Why? Because I need to focus on myself. I need to do other things, so that I'm no longer just going to send the trades. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'll just focus maybe on YouTube and other things that I do. So that way it's much better than nothing. So thank you very much, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I hope maybe you enjoyed the analysis. If you still want more, if you want me to analyze other things, just let me know. And if you want to be part of the team, check the link below in the description. You will find that it's a WhatsApp link. Just click that. It's going to take you straight to my WhatsApp page. I hope you see that. Oh, I see. I'm not actually visible. It's fine. So yeah, don't forget to smash the notification button, like, share with your friends so that the channel can grow. And thanks to everyone who already subscribed. Thank you, guys. The channel is growing. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.